Hello, good evening. What do we do here? What do we have here? We have a nice dog. Hello, hello, Pata. Hello, Spot. And we just removed, hold this, please. We just removed a big tick from our dog. Look, we put it here in a can. And we did this removal with a paper clip. We will do a video with this next time when we will remove a tick. Okay, look, it sucked a lot of blood. If you look, you can see the legs moving on this tick. So we remove it without killing it. So it's good for the dog because he didn't manage to spill all the bad blood in the back in the dog's skin. So we remove it, and now we will have a special treatment for this tick, right, Vera?
Yes.
Okay, so
Actually,
who's gonna manage? Vera, Pata, no. Okay, so we will put it in the middle.
But Pata
And then?
thought
Pata,
that
no.
it was a food.
Okay, and now we have here, no, Pata, go away, Pata, du-te la locul tău. And now we will burn it. Okay, special treatment. Okay, go ahead, Vera.
Okay. I will put a fire.
It's the oil from the can. Go.
Oh my gosh. I'm so freaking out. Whoa! I can't believe it. In 1 second, do this effect.
We have to reduce the flame. Okay. So look what's going to happen with our stick.
Whoa. It's like a pepper now.
Yeah.
But
It's
it's
like
not
a grill, a carbonized stick, completely black. It exploded a little bit.
Whoa.
Burn, tick, burn. Bye bye, tick. Bye bye.
He actually thought he would escape from this little cage.
Bye bye, tick.